Hi there, Natalie with you today to share a little bit of what's coming to the Citrus Swiss Kid shop on September 1st. And as you can see, I have quite a bit of stuff here. I have my Christmas kit, which is beautiful, so make sure you check it out. But I'm sure Trina's gonna take care of this. I also have my autumn kit, and I know Shannon is gonna show you exactly what comes inside the kit. But today I want to focus on the Life Crafted kit, and this month's kit's name is The Best Parts, and this is a beautiful kit. I'm going to show you what comes included in the kit. I've already worked a little bit of it, pulled it out. As always, you're going to get a 3x4 stamp, things like the best part, falling for you, amazing this day. Again, works like butter, perfect for documenting, adding sentiments to your pages. Let's start with the paper. You are gonna get a selection of a paper. These are exclusive to exclusive papers. These are 6x8s. Some beautiful florals. A wood grain paper. It says like a little beehive, and it's it's like an emerald green. Then you have a peach kind of coral print. More florals. This kind of hand-drawn florals. Sorry, I just want to make sure. Then you have this soft gray and orange print. It's beautiful. Then you have teal and mint. It's a small, like a really tone-on-tone floral print. Then you have this pink kind of diamond shape print. Then this beautiful navy, which is my favorite story, the little bits, the runaway, perfect for documenting, especially in your Life Crafted album. Then you have a soft grid, and this is white with yellow. Then you have this, I'm gonna say it's like typewriter print on yellow, and it says happiness. And the last paper is a pink stripe, really thin stripe, kind of orangey yellow on pink. So this is a selection of paper for the month. Beautiful, as always, a rainbow of colors that will help you document your stories. Then you're also gonna get our sheet of labels, which coordinate with the colors of the kit. Then you're gonna get a 3x8 card. This says the best part, this made my day, and the B-side says the details. Perfect to add to your Life Crafted album. You can also use it on its own or as a layer. This is just beautiful. And then you're gonna get our two, move this out of the way, 4x6 cards. So these beautiful frames on one, and again a rainbow of colors, and the B side has these stripes. I'm just gonna put it here so you can see it, so you can see everything. And then you get this beautiful floral. I'm gonna say like a lot of pink and peach on this, and then you get this beautiful grid, and this is like a mint tone. So these are two 4x6 cards. Then you're also gonna get a selection of 3x4 cards. They're printed on both sides. These are designed by Trina and Kathleen Schaefer, who is one of our designers. You have cards like loving you is easy, and the B side says this moment right here. Then you have again that floral that you have in the large card, and then a story is a way to say something that can be said in any other way. So again, a beautiful navy tone. I'm gonna put the flowers down. More life, less rush. And this is love this part, worth it. So beautiful to add your pictures, your sentiments, your titles. So good, so good. Again, you have a rainbow pattern. And then beautiful places to add your pictures or more journaling. There's always stories to tell about food. And the B side has all this star pattern. So then you have this beautiful, I'm gonna say like a stamp card on this purple kind of movie tone. And then you have an introduction of, I'm gonna say a little bit of a kind of a brown neutral, think of wood grain. So perfect for all types of seasons. Again, a journey card. This beautiful hand-drawn dots. The best part, which is the name of our kit. And like a beautiful watercolor, and then today's victories, and then more places for you to journal. So I'm just gonna set them here so you can see a bit of what is coming. Now this month you're also gonna get a set of Puffy Hearts, and these again match the colors of the kit. You're gonna have some wood grains. You have a little bit more of a richer palette when it comes to the colors in the kit. The alpha for this month is this beautiful puffy alpha. It's the same as in the Bailey stamp, And this is a tone of, like, I'm gonna say it's like a rich yellow, almost orange color. Beautiful, beautiful. Gotta get a second set because I stashed this. Now you're also gonna receive your ephemera pack, which I've already pulled out of the bag. Words like beautiful. There's always tickets that you can add. There's little tabs, little pieces of washi tape. Again, more labels, hearts. Now one of the things that Trina has designed this month is florals. So the florals that match the paper, there's quite a few of them here. There's some little tickets. There's more florals here. So quite a bit that you can use on your documenting. And like I said, layers, focal points, these are just perfect for all of that. So I'm just gonna set them aside so you can see more what it comes. You're also gonna get a pack of fabric ephemera. Again, little sentiments like me time. You have, again, food related items, little hearts, daily stuff, so things, coffee, which is always good, you guys know that. Beautiful. Lots of little fabric tags and labels that you can add onto your pages. So again, I'm gonna put it aside. If you are a subscriber of the kit, you will also have access to the 3x4 journaling cards, and these are just exclusive for subscribers. And I'm gonna show you right now here. You have a lot of a school theme for the journaling cards. I know we're going back to school, whether you go remotely or in person. Great to document the school days. These are, again, 3x4 cards. They're only for subscribers, and subscribers also get access to our cut apart printable. But you can also purchase this printable in the digital shop after, but subscribers get it for free. So these are two of the perks of being a subscriber. And there's a lot more that I want to show you that is coming to the shop. So I'm just gonna put this aside for a little bit, and I'm going to our digital shop this month, where you're gonna find the digital tags. Again, they coordinate the entire collection and also the add-on kit. And you're also gonna find something that we've been rolling the past few months is digital ephemera. So the same ephemera pack that you have here, but you can cut it apart, you can enlarge it. There's 3 sheets. I've only printed 2, so if you love your florals, then you can have as many as you want. Remember, these 2 are gonna be available in our digital shop as of right now. You're also gonna find in our digital shop our Documenter TN Basics, and these are just traveler's notebooks pages that we have designed, or Trina has designed actually, so it makes it really easy for you to document your days. And these actually coordinate with our kits, and you have already pre-made pages that all you need to do is add your picture, your story, and you're ready to go. They fit into our life crafted albums, so easy to just cut, add your picture, add a title, document, and slip into your page protectors. And there's, again, all of these coordinate with the kits, which makes it super easy to just mix and match and have your stories documented in a breeze. Another thing that you're gonna find this month in our digital shop is our digital project life cards, and these are the same cards that you get in the life crafted kit, but there's a few additions that I think you haven't realized. You get the 2x4 let me just pull them out of here so you can see. You get the 2x4 journaling spots that fit in our page protector 1, which is the one that comes with the 4x6 picture and then the journaling spot. You also get 2x2 cards which fit into our page protector number 3, which is the 2x2 pocket. So these are just a few, and then there's also different cards that are not included in our life crafted kit, in the physical kit. You can only find them in the digital shop, so make sure you check them out, because there's a lot that you can do with digital printing. And then there's a few more things that I want to show you that are coming to the shop that I think you want to get, and this is some of our stamps. As always, we have a traveler's notebook stamp, and that coordinates with this. Sentiments like favorite things, hidden treasure, woohoo, dear weekend, I'm ready for you. So remember to check it out. You can subscribe to it too. You get this month's life crafted, this is life, good life stamp set, and this one, it's beautiful. Lots of sentiments. Again, there's little icons that you can build. You can build your own cards. You can add them to your pocket pages. You can add it to your traveler's notebook, to your layouts. You can add titles. You can create little icons. You can create embellishments. There's a lot that you can do with this, and the font on this stamp is beautiful. So these two are available as add-ons. And then there's this new stamp. This stamp is the True Life Citrus Twist Kit. This is an exclusive. It's a 6x8 stamp, and it's just perfect for documenting big titles, words like together, family, life, happy, and then the small typewriter font that we love. Things like love you so, you make me, is everything. So think about how you can add this to your pictures, to your life crafted albums, especially now that we're going into the holiday season. These are perfect to add onto your stories. So this is a bit of what is coming to the Citrus Twist Kit shop. Actually right now it's available, so make sure you check it out. Again, this is the Life Crafted, the best parts kit. And as always, I cannot wait to see what you create with all of this. Remember to tag us whenever you share what you create with the kids on social media. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon.